Quality is chosen before machines ever touch it. From soil to system, the transition begins.
The journey forward is already in motion.
Movement preserves freshness.
Handling remains deliberate.
The system takes over. This is where agriculture meets industry.
Flow is carefully introduced.
The environment is engineered for consistency.
Order is established early. Preparation begins before transformation. Before anything else, purity is restored. What remains is what matters.
Human judgment still guides the process.
Nothing unnecessary moves forward. Now, the real work begins. Structure gives way to substance. Every movement is measured. Only the essential continues. Efficiency leaves nothing behind. Now, transformation can begin. Heat changes everything.
Flavor develops under control.
Concentration defines character. Precision is maintained by experience. The process accelerates. Automation brings repeatability. Balance is engineered, not guessed. Human oversight guides machine speed. The product is nearly complete. Smoothness is refined, not assumed. Final adjustments define feel. Stability prepares it for handling. Everything arrives together. Precision meets presentation.
Accuracy is confirmed in motion.
Every closure is validated. Nothing escapes inspection. Science confirms what machines prepare. Only approved product moves forward. Protection is added for the journey ahead. Volume meets order.
Readiness is organized at scale.
The process completes its cycle. And this is how modern factories produce tomato ketchup from start to finish.